The exterior damage is significant.
Look at the corrosion on these panels.
We'll need a full structural scan before we attempt anything.
The rust is heavier than anticipated here.
Yep.
Copy that. We're checking the wheel bearings now. The mounts are completely rusted through. Looks like we'll need to fabricate new ones.
Yep.
And bypass the damaged assembly. Copy that? This steering wheel is completely seized. We'll need to assess the column.
Target dinner.
The wiring here is severely damaged, likely due to water. The front axle looks stable, but we'll need to reinforce the hub.
This crack on the rear wheel is extensive. We need a replacement.
Understood. Let's start with structural assessments first.
The frame's cracked here.
Hydraulic lines are badly corroded.
Need a full assessment. The chassis integrity is compromised along the seams. We need a structural analysis here. Check the hinge corrosion on the rear doors.
Keep it steady. Guide it in slowly.
Stopping now.
Perfect. Team, let's assess the rust and the mechanical details. All right, team, let's assess the damage.
It's worse than we thought.
Focus on the cargo bay first.
Copy that, Foreman.
Secure the feed line here, tight, on it, and connect to the primary unit. Ready in 5.
Keep the pressure steady on the side panels.
Yes, calibrating now.
Check the lower body undercarriage.
Keep those nozzles focused on the wheel hubs. We need to get to the base metal.
Copy that. Moving to the next section.
Keep the pressure steady on the hub. Moving to the next wheel now.
Looks much better already.
Focus on those suspension joints.
The main cleaning is done. Noted. Mark these sections for structural repair. We've found significant damage here. Okay, on it. Keep it steady. Watch the cables behind the panel.
Got it. It's coming loose.
Perfect. Let's move that to the side.
Be careful with the wiring. Almost got it. Watch the rust.
Clear. All right, team, let's keep the labeling precise on these hydraulics.
Understood.
And double check those electrical connections before you disconnect them.
Will do.
Secure the chains right here. Good. Check the tension on that one. All clear. Take it up. Keep it steady. Final bolts are out.
Copy that. Moving it now. Watch the clearance.
Perfect. Take it slowly to the bay. Keep it steady. Watch the alignment.
Roger that.
Just a little lower. Clear left side. The intake manifold looks heavily corroded.
Confirmed. Adding it to the report now.
Check the belt tension, it feels loose. Secure the forward lifting points, make sure the tension is even. Copy, leader. Taut. Ready to hoist? Give it 3 inches, slowly.
Secure the chains on the port side.
Lifting now, slowly.
Clear the mount points. Easy, easy.
Perfect, take it to bay 3. All right, slowly lower it onto the stand. Secure those chains tight.
Looks good, boss.
Excellent, that's really cutting through it now.
Yep, this pressure washer is doing the trick.
Focus on that manifold next, good work. Excellent, the block is ready for reassembly.
Right, boss.
Let's get the final check done on the fuel lines. Lower it slowly, watch the angle.
Copy that. Coming down.
Good, keep an eye on the solution level.
Looks correct, ma'am.
Right, prepare for the next phase.
The corrosion treatment is proceeding as expected. Keep monitoring the oxygen levels.
Excellent work on these. The removal is perfect.
Thank you. The tank worked well.
Let's organize these for the next stage. Keep up the pace. Make sure the torque is set on that fastener.
Checked. Good to go.
And double check the seal on the main housing.
Verified.
Secure the bracket tightly.
On it.
On it. Check the manifold connections one last time.
The covers, belts, and pulleys are now installed, leader. Looks solid. The mechanical accessories are next. Let's keep moving.
Check the pulley.
Seems good.
And the belt tension?
Perfect. We're ready.
The stress fracture is right here.
Understood. Preparing for cleaning.
New section arrived.
Keep it steady. Watch the temperature. Right there, almost through. Clear of the support beam. Hold it there. A little bit more to the left. Perfect, solid. Copy that, ready to secure. The alignment looks solid. Let's finish the permanent weld now.
Copy that. Proceeding.
Replace the corroded mount here. Make sure the new bushing fits perfectly.
Yes, leader, it's snug.
Excellent. Let's finish up. The connection is tight,
Nice and
nice and secure. Ready for the final seal?
perfect.
Perfect. Let's pressurize it.
Okay, the front one is loose. Move it slowly, mind the axle.
Securing the rear ones now.
Secure the hub. Hydraulic line connection is solid. Verified. The rolling foundation is complete.
The frame is compromised here. Take it out.
Copy that.
Clear out the debris. Prep it for a new weld.
Set the cutting depth to 1.5. 1.5 confirmed. Beginning the cut now. Careful near the joint. I'm watching it.
Line it up perfectly, gentlemen.
Tighten those clamps just a little more.
Check the heat, don't rush it. Perfect, it's holding. Good work.
Ensure the curve matches on both sides.
Got it, boss.
Perfect. Blend the edges now. The alignment looks perfect. Excellent work.
Line it up with the guides. Just a little to the left. Torque wrench is ready.
The muzzle structure is secure. Check the panel alignment.
Looks good.
Excellent. Torque the final bolts.
Excellent. The structural integrity is flawless. The team did an incredible job.
Affirmative. Ready for deployment. Start with the jawline. Careful with the power lines.
Got it.
We need to reinforce the horn supports next.
Keep it steady. Perfect. The vac is on its way. Nice and clean underneath.
The alignment looks good on this side. Let's move to the balancing panels. Right, boss, we're on it. Line it up, a little to the left. Perfect. Steady. Welding it now. Okay, let's get that old bracket out.
Copy that, Chief.
Good, now fit the new section into place.
Affirmative.
The muzzle shaping is excellent, very smooth.
Final panel secure.
Perfect, we're done. The Vortec Rhino is complete. Exceptional work, team.
Ensure the wiring is carefully extracted.
I'm on it.
This bracket is seized.
Make sure to feather that edge. We need a perfect seal there.
Right, got it.
Excellent work. This floor is looking solid now.
Line it up with the frame, Powerlex. Right, boss. Hold this steady. Secure it there.
Make sure the stitching holds at the seams. Yes, leader, it's solid now. Perfect. Place it beside the cabin for final check.
Line it up evenly.
Secure the bezel, nicely done.
Check this alignment.
All right, secure that bundle near the control panel.
Yeah. Just finished the lighting array connections.
Perfect. Run the main conduit through the protective channel.
Check the alignment of the tachometer.
Good.
Wiring secured.
Confirmed.
Interior lighting secure. Commencing instrument activation. All systems green. Confirmation received. Excellent work.
The contour looks good there.
Just checking the alignment on this panel. Needs a final polish here. Keep it slow and steady. We need that seam invisible. Almost there. This section is perfect.
The joint here needs reinforcement.
I'm on it. Starting the weld now.
Check the panel alignment above.
Cut away that heavily corroded exterior panel. Preserve the Rhino's silhouette. Got it. Removing it now.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts now. Check the alignment. We're clear to weld. Go ahead, secure that beam. Looking good.
The alignment on the rear panel looks perfect.
Understood. Finalizing the seam here.
Excellent work, team.
Line it up here.
Yep, got it. Hold that in place.
Nice and tight.
Secure. Now, the latch.
Perfect fit. The pressure wash looks good. Bring the mechanicals down now. Almost done here.
Yeah.
Let's finalize the rinse.
The horse section is flawless.
Rear seams are tight, leader. Internal structure looks solid.
Perfect. Ready for showcase.
The rear doors look solid.
Check the alignment here.
Supports are good.
Line it up carefully. Okay, got it locked in. Looks good, let's torque it.
Keep it steady. Down just a fraction.
Aligning the hub, hold there.
Secure the bolts. Proceed to the next axle.
Secure the hub.
Torque it down.
Perfect. Alignment check next. Line 6 is secure. Check the pressure here. Hydraulics engaging. Verified. Moving to the brake caliper.
The assembly is complete. Everything seems structurally sound. Excellent work. Now for surface prep.
The forehead and facial panels are coming along nicely. The contours are still clearly defined, just as we planned.
Keep it even, we're almost there. Looks good.
Ready for final inspection.
Check this seam here. It needs a bit more smoothing. Understood. I'll take care of it now.
Keep the pressure steady, almost done with this section. Looks good, moving to the horn.
Keep it even on the load-bearing joints. Affirmative. Check the struts on the third axle. Mind the sealant residue. That's it. Align with the guide markers.
Solid connection.
Check the polarity. Yes, that's correct. Now secure it. Perfect coverage.
Nice work. Looks ready for anything. Keep it even, we're almost there. The coverage is looking good. Let's finish the horn and wrap this up.
The finish looks flawless. Let's start the final polish.
Confirmed. We're on it.
Hold, slow down. Got it, slowing.
2 inches more.
Stop, drop it steady. Setting down now.
Engaging lower mechanism, carefully centering on the chassis.
Position looks solid, lowering completely.
Chains are disengaged. Vehicle is secure.
Torque value holding, continue tightening.
Yes, ma'am, just one more pass.
Perfect. Secure it now. Done. Attach the chains securely to the designated points.
Affirmative, ready.
Initiate the lift, slow and steady.
Lifting. All right, slowly now.
Just a little more to the right.
Perfect, that's it.
Secure the cooling lines first.
Tightening now.
Check the exhaust alignment.
Looks good, boss.
Make sure those connections are solid.
Yes, leader.
Good, now test the diagnostic feeds. Keep it steady. That level is perfect.
Let's check the hydro lines for leaks.
Verified. All systems are good to go.
Initiation authorized.
Check the steering components one last time.
Yes, leader, it's secure.
Good. Let's start the final hydraulic pressure test.
Voltage engaged, dashboard initializing.
Diagnostic showing green.
Systems check complete.
Engaging ignition.
We have power.
Systems initializing. Check pressure.
Reading stable.
Engaging. Engine active.
Engaging startup sequence. Pressure holding. Clear. Systems nominal. We have ignition. It's working. The restoration is complete. Look at those pulleys go.
The cooling system is running perfectly.
We did it.
Main power nominal. Sequence complete. Initiating systems.
Activation confirmed.
Systems appear nominal. Impressive power.
It's finally done.
Magnificent.
Absolutely perfect. After all these years, isn't she a beauty? Worth every penny and every bolt.